希望點啦 ？Not just this lesson, Yanis, you come here. In this lesson, I'll teach you 50 words, 50 vocabulary items. No, more than that. I want more, not just this. 你譬如你今堂嚟到，我教你今堂我教你50個生字，我覺得唔夠，我係要教你點樣去用咩方法去 get 到嗰啲生字，明啊嘛？記住我頭先所講啊，就係一個對比嘅方法，同埋要掌握嗰啲讀音。case 你記住啦嚇，知唔知啊？係啊，讀啦 ，keep an eye.
Keep an eye on the
Read out the first 4 words.
suspect.
Can you hear her?
看星星。
See? Raise your voice. Speak louder.
Suspect. 跟住 sus
當務之急咧就係要改進嗰個讀音 ，pronunciation's a king。記住啊，讀音為王，讀音係最重要嘅嚇。Just now you said suspect, right? But it's also a verb. How to say the verb? Suspect 咯喎，see？如果係名詞就 suspect， 如果係動詞懷疑就 suspect。I suspect him. Come on, say it. I suspect him. 嗱，兩個音唔同啦，係嘛？呢個唔識讀。Suspicious.
suspicious.
Good. You
Suspicious.
解做咩？
懷疑的咯。
咩叫懷疑的啊？你噏乜廢話？你中文都好廢啊！真係。
係啊，雙科都係啊，而家英文好過中文啊，真係。
喂，英文好過中文，你喺度投訴？咁你關我咩事啊？
就唔關你事咯，就係真係。
你點會譯做懷疑的啊？他很可疑。
可疑的咯。
又的唔使的啦，他很可疑啦，好嘛？
啊。
係啊，係嘛？咁啊，咁譯啊嘛，係嘛 ？Suspicious。嗱咁咧，如果咁講咧，又賴多一個字喎。乜你以為得4個啊？咁呢個形容詞點解啊 ，Kevin？Come on，read this out. Unsuspecting。
冇預料。
咩冇預料啊？懷疑啊？咩唔係 expect 啊 ？suspect 啊 ？unsuspecting。unsuspecting is an adjective。你估下點解？咁你話佢冇可疑啊嘛？你係講嗰個對方嘛 ？unsuspecting 係講你喎，講你自己，咁即係點解？你沒有起疑心，get 唔 get 到啊？譬如我話嗰個騙子就而家好多電話騙案啊嘛 case， 咁佢就打電話俾個獨居嘅阿婆，咁個阿婆咧就不如有詐。就以為咧係個仔等錢使就過咗10萬落佢嗰個騙徒嘅戶口，咁個阿婆咧就唔知啊嘛，係嘛 ？The unsuspecting old lady 識用啊嘛，好鬼多字啊嗰度，最高頻率嘅 collocation 嘅配對係乜嘢 ？Suspiciously 同邊個動詞係配對啊？最高頻率嘅舉動可疑咯，講。acting 咯 ，acting suspiciously 咯，明啊？你係要快快脆脆咧就搞掂咗嗰啲最高頻率嘅配對，譬如個 suspicious 係配邊個嘅，你搞掂咗嗰啲，嗰度已經好多嘢㗎啦，知唔知啊？嗰啲好少見嗰啲唔使理佢。unsuspicious 咧就係沒有可疑的嗱，所以兩個咧 they are not the same，OK？ 冇撈亂嚇，係嘛？嗱我唔
Customer acting
suspiciously。
suspiciously in
唔
the
係純啊，OUS 啊嘛 ，suspicious
suspiciously in the supermarket.
係啦，咁呢個咪高頻率咯，高頻率配對咯 ，get 到啦嘛，係啦，自己 highlight佢啦一陣嚇。呢個又係高頻率喎，最大嫌疑犯 prime suspect。prime 仲有同咩配對啊 ，Kevin？ 高頻率配對，有人寫俾你睇喺呢度。香港嘅特首 Chief Executive 李家超 ，right？ 咁佢嗰個英國嘅 counterpart 係咩？香港就特首啊，英國叫咩？最高領導人係咩？英國嗰個 唔係英女王喎，英女王係一個 icon 嚟嘅啫喎，係一個象徵嚟嘅啫喎。
首相
Prime 咩 ？Prime Minister 咯，係啊，呢個咪有一個配對咯，係嘛？Prime Minister，你明啊？你就自己去揾，你就而家有 AI 嘛，你好容易揾到呢啲配對啦，係嘛？中文都得㗎，你咪 Prime 的高頻率配對字，佢一定會出呢啲俾你，知唔知？如果一個人死咗啦 case， 如果你有睇嗰啲YouTube 嗰啲偵探嗰啲罪案片啦，如果一個人死咗咧，佢其實一定係佢配偶係最大嫌疑犯㗎啦，其次就係屋企人，知唔知啊？嗰個就叫 prime suspect 啊。好 the next one。
The man glanced at the safe suspiciously and left quickly.
Yeah, that's right. What's the difference between glancing at, looking at, and staring at? Yes.
glance 係一眼啦，即係 look 咧就齋睇啫 ，stare 係向住。
唔係向住，你睇嘅向住。Fix your eyes on someone for a long time or for a short time.
啊
For a long time or for a short time.
你講 stare。
No, yeah, that's right.
stare 係 long time。
A long time. 盯住啊，亦叫盯住或者啤住，可能冇乜禮貌嘅嚇。咁 glance 有冇好嘅例子啊？Come on, give me a good example. Glance at what?
woman
咁你 glance at 同個用個 glance at the women 同個 look at women 冇咩分別啦，係嘛？呢個唔係一個高頻率嘅配對啊！
glance at
你有啲咩嘢你唔會用個 look at， 你係用個 glance at 㗎。佢又搞唔掂啊！因為佢讀書唔識變通。Yannis, give me a good example. Glancing at what?
Glancing at
Yannis, tell me the time. What time is it?
glance
1:25, right?
哦，
你睇表會唔會好詳細睇啊？你攞個時間啫嘛，咁講。Glance at the watch，
glance at
明啊？呢個就係一個好好嘅配對啦，係嘛？係咪？你同我講咩 glance at the girl， 咁我問你咁同我 glance at the women 有咩分別？你都講唔出。但係 glance at the watch 就正好表現到一個佢嘅正確用處，嗬，係嘛？明啊 ？Good。你唔係話你走去九龍Case， 你走去九龍錶行買錶。我記得我錶喺九龍錶行買，因為錶唔係貴嘅，咁但係我真係揀咗好耐喎，知唔知啊？係嘛？咁嗰隻就唔係 glance 㗎啦，嗰隻係嘛？嗰隻係 study 喎。喂，仲有啊喂，你去餐廳睇餐牌，你用個咩字啊
look
？look 你頭
read
，read the menu 好似睇書咁啊，係嘛？study the menu 寫低佢啦。真係好似讀書咁㗎，係用個 study 㗎，研究下究竟食乜啊 I study the menu。你哋識讀書嘛？讀書係咁㗎，知唔知？MENU 明啊嘛？你而家有個階段，你要追求嗰啲字係用得準確啦，你就要諗要去用工具去查下。好彩而家有工具，但係有工具你哋要點去分析，點樣去善用嗰個工具咧？嗰方面要大家要練習嚇，練習嘅啫，我覺得嚇。Kevin, read this out. Police
suspect him of stealing the valuable diamond necklace。
咁佢呢個 present tense 係用得啱嘅，因為 police 係複數動詞啊。嗱，咁呢度亦都學到啦。懷疑佢乜嘢用個 of 啦，係嘛 ？Suspect him of doing something. Casey, the next one, she.
She suspected he died of his
Whereabouts.
last night.
And underline the word whereabouts. Whereabouts is a noun, it means where he is. But you got to be careful with this word. It doesn't come with a singular form. 同埋佢係一個比較 formal 嘅字。你普通話佢去咗邊啊 ？Where he is，你唔會用個 whereabouts 啊。 formal 啲咁用。Any idea of his whereabouts 啊？或者嗰啲警方啊，佢可能咧要落口供嘅時候咧，佢可能佢嘅下落，咁佢哋會用呢啲字啊，知唔知啊？都係一個常用字啊。highlight 佢啊 ，till now 啊嘛。係啊，咁你咪用錯 tense 咯。Kevin, you correct her.
Have suspected.
I can't hear you.
Have suspected his intention for a certain person to have.
I prefer past perfect. Do you agree? Until now.
Until now 佢唔係一直進行
咁但係而家你已經係個疑心冇咗咯喎，
咁啊
係嘛？我覺得 past perfect 會好啲啊。OK, I had we had suspected. Next page. 我呢度你唔識睇喎 Yannis 你賣後面會用個名詞啊嘛，咪我的疑心咯，提高了我的疑心。The strange noise raised my suspicion. Kevin, give me another word for raise. Suspicion. Oh. Come on, answer my question. Raise my suspicion. Another word for raise. Increase, right? Come on, write it down. 寫上面 increased my suspicion. But Casey 其實有個仲好。增加我嘅疑心係可以，但係唔會係最好啦。引起嘛 ，arouse my suspicions。aroused。Have you seen this word before? Good。咁呢個字好有用喎，加多幾個 collocation。Arouse my suspicion, arouse my curiosity， 引起我好奇。唔識串嗰個字㗎佢。Curiosity，Kevin spell for her， 唔係 CR 啊 ，curious，curiosity，C no CUR I no curious is OUS curiosity take away letter U curiosity SITY CURIOSITY say the word
Curiosity.
you
Curiosity.
arouse my 都係嗰啲情緒啦 arouse my fear come on write down 嗱你明啊你要學得快咧你就譬如話我哋講緊呢個嘅你就咪諗埋呢啲啊明啊你自己翻屋企要做下功課其實好好玩㗎嚇 Casey read out the next one come on in Kevin 嗰份筆記啱唔啱啊？啱就俾Kate Cassie 啊。Casey, read this out. The girls.
The girl's
Innocent.
innocent. The girl's innocent smile looked totally unsuspicious to the police.
Unsuspicious.
Unsuspicious.
Because she has a face like an angel, right? She looks innocent. 好天真無邪啊嘛，但係天真無邪嘅人都可以係犯罪啊嘛。Totally unsuspicious。咁如果用個 unsuspecting 點用啊 ？Kevin， 頭先教你嗰個字，佢就冇可疑，警方就點啊 ？The police are unsuspecting。明啊嘛 ？get 到啦嚇。Okay, the next part. Yannis, read this up.
The lost child's doom.
No, read out the words.
Helper, helpful, helpless, helplessly.
Tell Cassie.
Help 工人。
咁佢同個 may 有咩分別啊 ？Write this. MAID. Compare a maid with a helper. Which one shows that your social status is way above her？
Helper, Goldie.
梗係唔係啦。當你用個 may 嘅時候，即係話你係佢主人啊。你 helper 可以解工人，寫咯，my domestic helper 咯。Cassie spell domestic。佢可能識串啊，佢識串你唔使串咯。佢 Apple 都唔識串㗎咁。helper come on， you are her helper，Cassie，you are her helper。你唔係佢菲傭啊，你係佢嘅助手啊，你幫下佢咧。佢真係唔識串啊。I see. Once more.
有產
有個 O 有個 O。
有 O
聽唔到。
嗱，頭先咧啱啦。頭先咧，我喺度食花生啦，我而家咁睇啦，我而家又發現咗你個弱點喎。你話聽唔到，冇理由聽唔到，佢已經講咗2次喎。聽力嗰方面，嗱有方法練嚇，我一陣教你一個方法。去 YouTube 嗰度睇片，但係你要睇啱啲片。我有啲正嘢介紹你，即係你當娛樂啦，但係你係聽咯，你明啊？我一陣教你。咁簡單字要講2次，你都知要聽到。Your domestic helper 就唔好用個 may 啦，may 咧就雖然其實情況都一樣，佢幫你做嘢，佢都好似個奴隸咁，但係你唔會講噶嘛，你明啊？工人咯，係咯，姐姐啊，佢係我工人姐姐啊。漏咗一個啊 Cassie， 漏咗邊個喺度？咩叫 helpful 啊 ？Compare the two Cassie。Helpful compare helpful and helpless。
helpless 係冇咗 helpful 係幫得手。
咁咪漏咗個咯，幫唔得手。She's very slow。Unhelpful very good， 喺 helpful 上面寫多個相反詞 unhelpful。咁 helpless 嘅相反咧？偽命題嚟嘅，冇嘅，呃你嘅啫嚇，係啊。咁啊齊嘅咯喎，知唔知啊？咁你如果夾硬都得嘅，你話好幫得手嗰抽象名詞咪 helpfulness 咯，但係冇乜機會用啦。好啦，做啦。The lost child。
The lost child stood helplessly on the street, crying loudly.
無助地站在街上。喂，你好似好得閒咁喎 ，Kelvin。無可奈何地，你嚟。佢有1個字嘅喎。嗱，呢個係無助地，咁另外一個叫無可奈何地。嗰個字我教過阿 Cassie 㗎啦。You first。
Start with 咩啊
R-E。 Come on. Enlighten him。辭職叫咩？
Resign。
係啊，但係佢唔係解辭職喎。Resign 轉做形容詞加個 D， 跟住 ly。R-E-S-I-G-N-E-D-L-Y。Resignedly。你點讀啊 ？Resignedly。R-E。你話隻龜啊，話隻蛇喺度做咩 ？R-E-S-I-G-N-E-D 唔係解辭職喺度啊 ，L-Y。咁嗱，你又唔好問我啦 ，Kevin 阿 Sir， 無助地同無可奈何地有咩分別？嗰啲自己搞啦，兩個應該係唔同㗎嚇。總之係俾咗你啦嚇。OK， 你好似好得閒咁啊，所以我而家要揾嘢俾你做。讀啦 ，Yanis。She spoke
helpfully and offered us a lot of useful advice.
呢個 OK 嘅，但係呢個唔係好好嘅英文嚟嘅。呢啲英文唔係我作㗎嚇，我係臨急臨忙去揾俾你，自己再加翻啲嘢啦。OK，but this is not the best example。OK，我唔係好中意佢咩 speak helpfully 啊。 我覺得如果你話咧佢好幫手喎，佢俾我好多有用建議，我點解用個 speed 啫？我咪話 she was helpful 咪得咯。你覺得係咪啊？我使咩用個 ly 嚇？不過唔緊要啦，佢冇錯嘅。Let's read this up. The little boy.
The little boy stared helplessly at his mother, begging for help.
呢個例子好嚇，呢個例子好啊。Good. Go on. Casey, go on.
A helper is responsible for taking care of the housework for the family.
兩樣嘢問你啦，Casey。菲傭 from the Philippines. Come on, say it. 菲傭。Do we have one at home？ 咁前面加個咩字啊
Philippines.
？Spell the word.
Philippine housework.
Spell the word. Yanis, write down the word. 寫咗菲傭。
佢會係印尼嚟嘅。
你唔好喺度講，我問你菲傭，你話你個菲傭喺印尼嚟，你唔好喺度講廢話得唔得啊？我冇興趣知道你嗰個菲傭喺邊度嚟啊 ！OK， 我要你識菲傭嗰個英文啊 ！Cassie，tell her。你菲律賓係 the Philippines 啊嘛，你菲傭點會用我 the Philippines 㗎 ？F 字頭嘛。Filipina。Filipina，the Filipina maid。Filipino 咧就係 capital letter F。Filipino 就係男人咯。家務 housework， 仲有叫咩？你中唔中意做家務啊？嚇！你真係可愛，你真係有人中意做家務㗎，原來啊，即係你好 enjoy 吸塵嘅。即係中意做，好咗你做老婆真係幸福啊 ！Household， 喂，嗰啲係好痛苦嘅工作嚟㗎。Household chores， 我成日俾我老婆鬧就因為我唔收衫啊。落雨都唔收衫，成日俾我老婆鬧啊！
係苦差啊！
我覺得係苦差嚟㗎。chores 啊 household chores。Alright， 好啦 next one。我相信啊 Cassie 已經係 overcome 呢啲啦，所以請阿 Cassie 讀出嚟咯。Come on。Hurry up。Satisfactory。咁仲有漏咗邊兩個啊？講啦。嗰樣嘢做咗之後，令你好有滿足感，心靈好滿足嗰個形容詞。Satisfying。satisfying。咁佢嘅相反詞咧 ？unsatisfying。唔好耷低頭望住我，乜你以為得咁少咩？飽腹感，好飽啊！呢幾個學咗3、4年啦，仲係止步於此，小姐。你今年方幾啊？Form 5啦，陰公。Satiation spell satiation。嗰個係喂飽腹感唔係同嗰個 satisfy 有關，同咩有關啊？滿足啊嘛。Satiation satiation satiation。你開始要識呢啲字㗎。喂，我講咗2次喎，你咩事啊？玩嘢。我一陣教你返去點樣去改善啊！冇理好緊要嘅嘢，你講又緊要，聽又緊要，係嘛 ？Satiation 我寫喺度啦。咁另外 satiate 就係飽腹感嗰個形容詞，即係 I'm full。呢個字咧，我係好有興趣啊！點解咧 ？Casey，I tell you what， 你知唔知啲人咧，佢減唔到肥嘅原因係咩咧？ 咁好多咧又話咧做運動咪得咯，食嘢食嘢就唔好食咩咩㗎，其實乜都唔係，其實係同你個 satiation 有關。如果你飽嘅話，你就唔會食嘢啊嘛，係嘛？咁阿 Sir， 咁我點樣至可以有個飽腹感啊？唔係話一定要食好多嘢有個飽腹感喎。你有啲食物咧，你係食咗之後咧，佢係令你長期唔肚餓嘅喎。你使唔使我舉例啊？奇亞籽咯 ，chia seeds 咯。嗰啲 chia seed 你係點食啊？你買好平嘅啫，你買啲奇亞籽翻嚟，跟住咧你滗兩匙羹浸水，佢會發大㗎嘛，好似嗰啲波波咁啊。咁你譬如話溝啲凍檸檬水，或者溝啲豆漿，咁你飲一杯啦，你真係可以3-4個鐘頭唔肚餓嘅喎。但係如果你話我一陣走去食飯，食咗一大碟嗰啲碟頭飯，其實轉頭個零鐘頭你又想再食嘢㗎啦，你知唔知啊？係嘛？所以其實係嗰個 satiation 嗰個問題要解決，咁嗰個人唔會成日肚餓，咪唔想成日食嘢咯，係嘛？我唔好講嗰啲啦嚇。I
satisfy every single need of my customer at work.
咁如果你話高頻率配對啦 ，Kevin 除咗 satisfy 同嗰個 need 係配對，滿足佢需求，仲有邊個字同個 need 係配對啊？寫低佢啦 ，meet 咯。MEET. I meet every single need of my customer。其實可能個 need 仲好喎，係嘛？
The manager has satisfied the demands of all the employees so far.
Employees。咁呢啲句子係 OK 㗎，佢 so far 即係到而家為止，所以用個 perfect tense 啦。但係更好嘅寫法咧就係點咧？佢就即係一路以嚟都滿足到嘛。其實你可以另一個寫法咧，就係你係講佢能力啊嘛。所以如果作文咧，呢啲唔係最好嘅句子嚟㗎。你話 Cassie， 你明唔明我講咩？呢啲作文呢啲唔係好嘅句子嚟㗎。你唔好喐呢個，你係講佢能力啊嘛。你 perfect tense 啊嘛，我唔使一定呢個 perfect tense， 我可以第二度 perfect tense 啊嘛。Has been able 嗱，你自己比較下嚇。Let's read this up. The first one is the manager has been able to satisfy the demand。呢個第一個，呢個好啲啊，定係第二個？你同樣係要 perfect tense 嘅話，如果你作句，你選擇用我呢個方法喺度轉做 perfect tense 啊，定係喐呢個好咧 ？The manager has satisfied the demands so far。你覺得邊個好啲啊？都係第一個㗎嚇。The next one case is the effect。
The effect of the new medicine is
satisfy or satisfactory， 令佢滿意。No， 嗱唔係好熟啊你啊。satisfactory， 自己記低佢，令人滿意。感到滿意，呢啲係通常指 result 學業成績令人滿意啊，表現令人滿意啊，呢個知唔知啊？藥物嘅效用令人滿意 ，satisfactory 係。好，咁你見到個 fail 咧，一定係 ED 嗰個 form 啦。Case go on reading. She fail. ED. Satisfied. Read out the word.
She felt satisfied after receiving the expected gift.
咁你快脆翻屋企，快脆温多幾次啦嚇。OK 係咯，呢啲唔應該陌生噶啦嚇。咁你話阿 Sir 用邊個好咧 ？fail 咧唔係最好啊 ，was 或者 became 係最好啊，係嘛？嗱，所以呢度咧呢個意思係用得最好嘅嚇。He is satisfied with the final decision， 係啦，唔使話特別用個 feel 嘅嚇。Kevin, next one, many customers.
Many customers are dissatisfied with the poor after-sales service.
No, after sales，
Sales service.
唔係到 sales 啊 ，sales。
Sales.
呢度可以留意個 with 咯。 dissatisfied with the service, dissatisfied about the service。咁但係如果人咧就用個 with 啦，知唔知啊？係嘛？I'm not satisfied with you，你明啊？about 咧就 about 同個 with 可以指情況嚇。A 今次 A 個來貨 A 一紮來貨個 quality 唔得喎。Yannis, what is the quality?
The quality of this batch of goods is totally dissatisfactory.
Totally what?
Dissatisfactory.
嗱，你又唔係好熟啊，令人不滿。Unsatisfactory。翻屋企咧，好似患咗強迫性行為咁樣，自己逼自己。譬如温咗之後咧，自己逼自己唔好睇佢，跟住講啦，我令人不滿 unsatisfactory， 令人滿意 satisfactory， 令人不滿 unsatisfactory， 感到不滿 dissatisfied， 你明啊？佢咪喺你個記憶體嗰度儲存嗰啲字，你喐得多，佢個記憶咪多咯。咁你攞翻出嚟咪快咯。即係我嘅理解係咁啦嚇。OK，next one，the teacher Kevin。The teacher。冇錯啦 ，not in satisfaction。咁即係話 in satisfaction 咧，就係一個 adverb phrase 啊，就代替咗咩 satiation 啊，關咩食嘢事啊，滿意地。即係佢加埋個 in 咧，就代替咗個 adverb 嘅功能啦。in satisfaction 係啦，滿意地點頭，識啦嘛？好，咁你講啦，阿 Yannis 啊，滿意地微笑，微笑。Smile in satisfaction. Come on, say it.
Smile in satisfaction.
識啦嘛 ？Cassie, this one. Her face with. Cassie.
Her face was filled with satis.
啊，真嘅咩？下面你睇中文。
不滿啊！
Unsatisfactory.
唉，真係慘啊！真係仲寫。Dissatisfaction， 你要搞幾耐 ？Explain, but of course, when explain transforms into a noun, you take away letter I. Explain, no, take away letter I. Explanation, and consequently, the pronunciation is different. Explanatory， 咁跟住嗰個形容詞咧，嗰個 plan 嗰度重音喎。解釋性的係嘛 ？explanatory 做啦。The teacher gave a clear explanation of the difficult grammar rule. Many 解釋性嘅筆記啊 ，explanatory notes. Conscious 失去知覺 ，lost consciousness。Unconscious 咧就係昏迷，咁通常用個 become 啦，有人用個 fall 嘅喎嚇 ，fall unconscious 啦寫，係啦 ，fall 可以同佢 collocate 嘅嚇 ，fall 係啦寫喺上面啦 ，fall unconscious， 通常用個 become 嘅。好，晚上獨自走路時意識到了前方的危險 ，Yannis he is。That's right. Conscious. Say again. Conscious. I want to hear your words clearly. Conscious. Very good. Conscious of. 咁Kevin tell her 同類嘅 conscious of 同類嘅字有邊幾個 ？Give me two. Form 6咧就俾兩個我，Form 5咧俾一個我。Aware of， 聽過有咩用啫？你
用到出嚟。
Aware of，one more。佢因為佢有嗰個戰爭嗰個字咧，所以佢個警覺性係最高嘅。Wary，weary of 啊，應該唔係到 worry 啊，呢個係警覺性最高啊，因為同打仗有關，知唔知啊？好啦，咁其實仲有一個喎，但係跟個 to 喎。Alert to alert 俾晒你㗎啦嚇 ，Cassie 啊 ERT，R，T，係啦，呢個係警覺性好高嘅。aware of 咧即係知道咯，就唔係警覺性好高。conscious of 咧都唔係警覺性好高嘅，知唔知啊？你明啊？呢兩個咧打粒星，呢兩個就好警覺，所以佢譯做警覺。呢個咧就譯做意識到，即係知道啊！佢係知道嗰個 level，佢又唔係話好 sharp 嘅嚇。喂，咁如果咁講，咁呢個咧，呢個讀乜啊？呢個就唔係解警覺，呢個解厭倦喎。英文係好玩嘅喎，係嘛？你覺得點讀啊 Cassie？W-E-A-R-Y weary of 係咪 weary 啊？唔係讀 weary。weary。你翻去研究下，好正嘅啲詞啊！好啦 ，next one， 哇 Sir 你個字都話正啊 ！The drunk man， Cassie do this one， The drunk man。
A drunk man laid unconsciously on the street, not moving at all.
喂，你累人不淺啊 ，Cassie， 你累人不淺啊！你呢個同個 lay 佢呢個係動詞啊，解躺啊嘛。但係而家唔係 modify 呢個字啊嘛。A 個字係講嗰個醉酒嘅人冇咗知覺，咁點會有 ly 啊？查咗佢啦 ，lay unconscious without ly。咁我想問你啊，被發現時躺在地上死了 ，should lay
呢個應該有 L
仲係有 ly，我真係俾佢吹脹。嗰個嘢瓜咗點會有 ly 咪 dead 咯，咪 dead 咯，係嘛？
點解冇 L 啊？
你而家唔係指瞓喺度嗰個動作啊嘛，係指嗰個人係生定係死嘛？我琴晚失眠喎，我瞓喺床嗰度眼光光，醒咗，咁根據你嘅邏輯，使唔使加 ly 啊？點解唔使啊？因為係講我啊嘛，我嘅狀態啊嘛，咪咁咯，或者係呢個咯，冇 ly 噶嘛，係嘛？所以你見到動詞唔係一定指佢啊，係指嗰個人啊嘛 ，get 到啦嘛。咁我想問多你一個啊 Casey。I lie on bed， 咁係 sleepless 定係 sleeplessly 啊？邊個啊？撳住啊！又係第一個咯，係嘛 ？I am sleepless 啊。Next page。